tried so many times, but she don't remember at all.
I do remember. Excuse me, you couldn't hold it. Every time the surprise always come out before my birthday or like even I booked the accommodation everything. But this time you did everything yourself. So thank you so much. I'm so happy about it.
So she's super happy about it. I'm happy as well. So really excited. Can't wait for the destination.
Alright, see you in front of sea then.
Alright, catch you at the Marina Bay. Alright guys, so finally we made it to the Keppel Bay Marina.
Yeah,
it was a long drive, but we are here now.
Yay.
So looks like the passengers are on boarding now. So we're gonna hop in the boat as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes, and then we're gonna be in Keppel Bay Island. We are here in the rooftop. Nice and hot. Yeah.
I actually want to sit down like under the shadow, but
it's alright, just 30 minutes. We are here now.
yay!
We are in the Great Keppel Island now, guys. Looks
so
awesome.
Beautiful. The
So
water
beautiful.
is very clear.
Yeah.
We are a little bit concerned that like it was rain last night and this morning.
Yep.
But it's really clear, so good.
Yeah, the water is crystal clear.
Yeah.
And it is really good for swimming, snorkeling, if I pronounce it correctly.
Awesome.
So now we're heading towards the office where you're gonna get the snorkel gears.
Oh my
And
god,
then-
suns are so hot.
It is a very beautiful and hot day in Keppel Island here. It's gonna be awesome day, I believe.
Yeah,
I hope so.
hope so.
Okay, so we did get our snorkel gears.
Yeah.
So now we're going for a spot to swim where they recommend a good spot for do the snorkeling.
Yeah.
And it's 20 minutes from the office. And if you want to go more further, it's like 40 more minutes, 20 more minutes.
Yeah.
You can go lots of places that you can do good snorkeling, but let's see how far we can go.
Maybe after 20 minutes we can swim to the other spot, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't
So,
need to walk, so.
how was the swim?
Was good. Lots of fish.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit broad,
Yeah.
so
Wasn't that clear?
no.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so next plan is we're gonna hire the kayaking boat and we're gonna travel around the ocean, and wherever we see a good spot, we're gonna do the snorkeling there.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be good after
I
that.
think so.
Yeah. But anyway, it was amazing. We
Yeah.
can see lots of fishes. Just it wasn't that clear. So.
Yeah. But that's okay. We still have time.
Yeah.
So
Take some time. Yeah.
let's go next spot.
Look at that.
We got kayak finally.
Finally.
Yeah.
The first time we are doing the kayaking.
I know. We wanted to do for a long time, but
Never got a chance yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is the first time. I'm very excited to do it.
I know.
Are you?
Yes, I am too.
Yeah.
We don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
So let's see.
So we will give it our best shot and let's see what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
A bit tired?
In this moment, still okay. Yeah.
Good.
It's so nice.
Yeah. So the place we're gonna go is right to the edge somewhere there. So there is more coral, so we can see more fish when you do snorkeling. Alright, so we are here in the destination.
No.
We made it.
Landed.
Let's go now. Make sure we don't lose the boat.
Yeah.
It's gonna be expensive otherwise.
Oh, baby.
We came so far away.
I know, right?
So we started somewhere from there. So we're gonna do the snorkeling somewhere nearby the rocks where there might be some coral. So the water looks pretty clean here.
Yeah.
So I hope we might see some more fish.
Yeah. Okay, let's find out.
time to go back.
I know, right?
Yep.
It was so good. Like
Yeah.
so many fishes, like
Yeah.
thousands of fishes.
Yeah.
Hopefully I could record, but I don't know. We're gonna find out later.
Yeah.
If there is, it's there.
Yep.
Extra treat for birthday girl. I got the muffin as well.
Awesome. Time to go back now.
I know, time passed so quick.
Yeah. It was 7 hours tour, but feels like 1 minute. Right?
Yeah. So finally we decided to go back around 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can enjoy accommodation as well.
Yeah.
Nice and chill over there as well.
So good.
Yeah. Bye bye, Great Keppel Island.
I know.
See you next time. We might come back now.
Yeah. It was really good day
Yeah.
of trip, you know.
Exactly.
One day was good enough.
Yeah. How was your trip?
Awesome. Awesome.
Tired?
Yeah. Well, as usual, I slept inside of the some transport, so I just wake up.
So check-in is done. So we're just gonna go ahead towards our room now and check out this beautiful small accommodation. It is the first time we're living something a different accommodation. It's like a caravan and like a roof tents. Pretty awesome. Let's go inside.
It's so cool, you know.
So cool, right? Yeah. So we got one bed here, and then one fridge. Even we got this towels and then some amenities. Also they got a nice lounge room here where you can chill, relax. You can sleep here as well.
Good type.
Yep.
Some small couch and then like a dining tables and then hammock as well. Very nice.
How's it going so far?
Very nice.
Very
nice. And we're going for dinner soon, so
Yep.
I don't know what should we have.
Today is open dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anything we can have for today.
Awesome.
And tomorrow I book special restaurant for Machi.
I know, more special, more surprise.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we're gonna have a look for the dinner spot for today.
Yep.
And then we are pretty hungry and then let's go for dinner.
Yeah, let's go.
Good morning guys.
Morning.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning here in beautiful Yapun, and my wife wanna go breakfast early in the morning.
Early? 8 is early. Breaky time.
But is it this one? Yeah, looks nice and busy.
Since yesterday we are so
Again,
lucky.
lucky us.
Yeah.
We found the table even though it's so busy today.
I know. Since yesterday we are so lucky.
Yeah, we got the table at the waterfront restaurant as well,
Yeah.
which was super busy the night.
Yeah, exactly.
And today as well, as a school holiday, and then it's weekend, so it's unlikely to get a table, but we managed somehow get a table for us.
Time to going home. It was so good. Nice holiday.